Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock any Android phone. So if you do have a Samsung phone, you're going to have to hold down this extra Bixby button, this third button, and I'm going to tell you how to do that. So here's just Magic OS Android version 14. I'm going to hold down the power button, and then when the phone restarts, I'm going to switch from the power button to the volume up and the power button. So let's do it now. So here's my screen. I'm going to hold down volume down, power button, and when it restarts, switch to volume up, power button, and then if you do have that third button, go ahead and press that now. And then you can see the name of the phone. Continue to hold this down until the name of the phone goes away, and then let go. And you can see I have an Honor phone. So this is where you would be holding this third Bixby button down over here. Otherwise, it won't boot into the recovery mode, so I'm going to let go. Here's Magic OS recovery mode. Use the volume keys to operate it up and down. Select it with power. And the only way to clear this out is by going to clear data. This will unlock your phone so you can use it. You're going to have to sign in with your email address and your password again for your Google account. And then your photos will probably be wiped. You can try transferring to a computer, but it does require biometrics pretty much to unlock it now. So just go to clear data and wipe, and then you should be able to use your phone again, but you're going to have to take some more pictures. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.